What are we cleaning?
Fish tank.
Are we cleaning the fish tank?
Yeah, okay. Clean up, clean up.
Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere.
Clean the fish tank. Get a big clean fish tank. Get clean the fish tank.
We're doing a water change.
Water change.
A water change.
For some people, fish tank maintenance seems like it's a pain in the ass, and that's why they don't like to keep fish. For me, it's I actually enjoy it. It's one of my favorite parts of the week is doing my fish tank maintenance, and I especially like it because me and my man here, Jack, he likes to help me out. You got the hose? I try to do my water changes once a week. It's usually on a Saturday or on a Sunday, and it usually takes anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes. That's also between both tanks. I'm talking my 75, which is right behind me, and then my 40-gallon breeder. I got my angelfish, which we've named Sia. We hope she's a female. She might be a male, I'm not sure. But her name's Sia for now. But we're about to clean that glass, and we're about to do the water change on that as soon as we're done with the 75. You wanna feed them? We can feed them later. So before we put the new water in the fish tank, we're gonna put a little dechlorinator, Sechem Prime in. And then we're gonna take this valve here on the faucet, turn it from open to shut. Now it's gonna start filling up now it's gonna start filling up the fish tank. Okay, so nap time for the kids. So one kid went to bed, the other kid came back. So Charlie's my new helper. Say hi, Charlie. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. So now we gotta add this prime because we just emptied the water and my fish are pissed.